What's the meaning of Bradshaw? Bradshaw. Bradshaw.
Bradshaw. Bradshaw. Bradshaw is a surname of English origin. It is derived from the Old Norse name Bradsky, which means broad shoulder. The name became popular in England during the 19th century due to George Bradshaw, who was a publisher of railway timetables and maps. Today, the name Bradshaw is commonly found as both a first name and a surname around the world. It is often associated with individuals who are considered trustworthy and dependable due to the name's historical associations with reliability and punctuality in transportation.